Okay, so as you can see, one bracket is already in place, waiting for 24 to 48 hours for the Sika EBT Plus to hold, to dry. So I'm going to insert these two in these holes and get them out of here, from here. I pushed these wires, the red wire, through the two holes. They went through the kayak and are out this side. This is for the top hole, or the inner hole. This is for the bottom, or outer external hole. I'm going to insert these extremities of the wires inside this back plate. Put silicone EBT here, EBT plus, Sika EBT plus here. Pull the back plate all the way through until it's hopefully against the kayak, the inner side of the kayak, and then I'll check the position using this tripod mounted to a PVC tube and connected to my computer. Now I'm going to mark the part that's going to stick out of the kayak. I'm going to mark them with, let's say, 5 lines. So I know how much is out, how much is left. 5. 4, 5. I made an effort to keep the orientation of the back plate correct in order not to twist these wires. Now I'm going to put silicone here. Here I will avoid going to the central part of this back plate in order to avoid having too much silicone inside the hole. So I'll try and put it at the border, the edge. Here I'll try and fill it up with silicone. Here, same thing as that. Okay, so the silicone is in place. Now I'll have to pull while trying to maintain these wires untwisted. Now I'm going to mount my camera to this tripod connected to this PVC tube and linked to the computer. Okay, let's start. I think we can say they are in place. I'll check by going closer to the computer. So on the computer screen I can see that the silicone is, that the backplates, both backplates, including the one with red wires, seems to be in place, and the backplate connected with the red wires has silicone squashed between the backplate and the kayak hull. So that's good. So now I'll tighten the red wire. Okay, so I've tightened the wires and I'll cut them now. I'll show you. These are the wires. They're in place. The back plates hopefully are in place with the holes hopefully as much facing the holes in the kayak, so I can screw the screws inside the nuts easily without any resistance or any problems. Now I'll cut these wires just so the place looks tidy.